Basic Electronics Engineering. Out of these 7 sections, we will start with Microcontroller. Now, this is an interactive tool. Here, to explain how the electronics work with programming, this is a robot and there are 3 colors: green, red and blue. Now, out of these 3, there are 3 corresponding buttons here on the left bottom. This is a simulator, so whichever button we press, the robot is going to pick up the object of that color. And this whole process will be explained through programming and step-by-step animation. So let us pick a color. I am choosing red for now. Now as I clicked on red, it takes me through the embedded program. You can hear bleak audio here. This audio basically talks about how this embedded program, assembly language program, looks like. This will be a detailed explanation. I'm just giving you the demo so that you get the idea and skipping few parts of it. And then this is a whole step-by-step execution, a detailed explanation of how the program works, and really it removes the fear from the student's mind about the unknown. Generally, the fear of unknown as the experience in learning. So the program is now transferred, compiled and the instructions is going to the microcontroller. And since I have pressed the red button, it is now picking up the red object. So in this way, this interactive demo really explains how the system works. You can choose another color and the other object will be picked up. As far as our experience, students find it very interesting. Now let me take you to interactive modules. Here there are very nice modules available. For you to interactively explore, for example, this is a signal generator. I am interactively changing the frequency. I can change the amplitude and I can also change the phase. If I have to compare a signal with another reference, then as you can see that I have clicked on set as previous signal. And in the background here you can see the black signal, which is the earlier signal, and this is a new signal with a green color. And then we can explain the students that what happened when we decreased the frequency, and this is how it looked like. So these tools are effective in a way that our blackboard can't do. Now similarly, there are bitwise operators. You can check the operator here interactively. You can ask the classroom to interactively enter some numbers. And once the number is entered here, you can ask them to choose the operator. And if they put and then say compute, then this is a final answer. They can choose here or and click compute, then this is what it is here. The operator also changes in the diagram. They can also choose XOR and then say compute. So these are good tools for the teachers that allow to take the best in the classroom and invest their time and effort to really engage students in the classroom. Now here, as we speak some words, it is detecting our audio. Now, as I clap, it shows the vibration. For example, it is capturing the microphone in real time and shows the students that how the microphone works and how the system works with the help of transducers. So it's a very powerful technique there in the working part. It shows the animation and it goes inside the transducer, which explains this is a audio visual, and then it will completely show the animation part. So in this way there are many interactive tools available. Let's go to the theory animations. Here in the theory animations, all the theoretical concepts have been explained. If you are looking for something very specific, you can go to the search bar and type LED for example. I started highlighting the LED animation. You can click on that, it will start playing the LED animation. So in this way, our various animations are available. Now I'll show you one interesting feature that you can do with your lecture plans. Now these are lecture plans which are editable. You can edit these lecture plans as per your requirement. And we respect that every teacher has a different teaching style. And so that you can customize, we have given the modifiable thing. So if you click on it, then it launches PowerPoint. And once the PowerPoint is available, then you can edit these lectures. So this is the PowerPoint lecture. You can edit this part as per your customization. Here I'll show you one more interesting feature. But before that, I can just walk you through this need of a number system. And all the lectures are available to you at your disposal. Now let's go and add one animation and link. So for this, let's go to your own animation first. I will show you what to do with it. There is a button on the top right here named Import PPT. Just click on the Import button and select a particular PowerPoint that you want to import here. So let us say we import our own lecture. And it starts appearing here. As you can see, this is in blue color. The built-in are in red color and your imported lecture is in blue color. So in this way, you can bring in your own lectures. Now let us start in your one lecture. Your lecture and link animation with it. So we will give the title as your lecture, and I want to show you, you can just go and add a button. So I'm just gonna put a button here, and this is our button with a circular shape. So with this button we will link everything, and I'm just gonna make the layout as title. And this is the button, and we are going to link the animation with it. So let's go there and select the animation. Now let's say you are searching for Zener diode. So let's search that. It has started highlighting the Zener diode. So this is the Zener diode animation. Now on the left top you can notice that there is embed in your lecture button. Just click on it and it copies a link. So once the link is copied, we can just exit the animation or even exit the application. That does not matter. So even if the application is not running from the PowerPoint, it will automatically launch our animation with the software. And then we just start the presentation. Once the presentation starts, just enable all the launch part. And as you can see, if I click on the button, it is now launching the animation from our repository. And this is a regular animation that you can show in your classroom from your own PowerPoint and then link it. So that's a very big advantage that teachers get. Now let us go to animated solved examples. There are plenty here, you can opt any one. Let's say parallel circuits. Now here I want to show you the feature that after giving a problem statement, there is a step-by-step solution available in animated audio-visual form. So there is audio explanation also. Now there is a full screen feature here. If you click it, enters into a full screen display. And there is a repeat, and there is also a rating feature. Users can rate the feature here. It helps us continuously improve the content. And here, the embed in your lecture button is also available. You can embed all these animations with your own lecture, so that's a very big advantage. Then there are step-by-step solved examples, which again helps students understand the subject in a better way. And all these big number of problems are available here. You can utilize all of these problems for your lecture. Then there is a stereographic section available here. You need 3D goggles, and if you have goggles, then it really makes a world of difference. Now here the communication is being shown in 3D. and if you wear the goggles, it really pops out of screen. And it is very helpful to inspire students with a low cost technology like this. On this video, you might not be able to view a 3D effect in great deal because of the compression of YouTube, but it is interactive. Like I'm using mouse and I'm moving these objects from left to right and right to left. This is also 3D. It is a parallax. So if you have goggles like this, red blue goggles, also known as anaglyph 3D, then these all 3D modules inspire your students a lot. That's all about the basic electronics engineering, and we hope that you will like the product and use the product to your maximum advantage. Thank you.